Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, fellow golfers. Ever wondered how to truly unlock your Garmin S60's full potential? Connecting it to your phone is the key, giving you access to crucial features like activity tracking and vital software updates. This guide outlines the official and most reliable method for linking your S60, ensuring you get the most out of your device. It's the definitive way to keep your game stats and course maps perfectly current. Before we dive into the pairing process, let's make sure you have everything ready. First, download the official Garmin Connect app onto your smartphone from your app store if you haven't already. Next, ensure your phone's Bluetooth setting is actively turned on. Finally, take a moment to verify your Garmin S60 watch has a sufficient battery charge. These quick checks will ensure a smooth connection. Now, let's get your devices paired up. Begin by opening the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and logging in. On your S60 watch, go to the menu, then Settings, and look for a phone or pair phone option. Select this to put your watch into pairing mode. The app on your phone should then automatically detect the S60, ready for you to confirm the connection. Once your S60 is detected, the app will guide you through a quick setup. You'll typically confirm a pairing request on both your phone and the watch, often by matching a code. This crucial step allows your S60 to seamlessly sync all your golf activities, download the latest course maps, and even receive smart notifications directly on your wrist. It's a straightforward process that keeps your data perfectly current. Sometimes you might encounter a little hiccup, but don't worry, it's usually an easy fix. If your S60 isn't connecting, try restarting both your watch and your phone. Also, make sure no other devices are actively trying to connect via Bluetooth nearby. Keeping your S60 regularly synced not only ensures data accuracy, but also helps optimize battery life and overall performance. With these tips, you'll maintain a strong, reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.